Welcome back to a new video. We're cutting the frame. I already did, but I'm going to give you some tips on what I did and where I went to get some pieces of frame. So let's go. Here we are. Missing a little bit of frame, but we're going to be a lot better off when we're done. So I went to a junkyard, was able to find a truck with a decent frame. Didn't have to take the bed off. So I was able to take all the bolts off, take the bumper, take the two bolts off of the bed, and get a sawzall right up underneath, from underneath, and cut just like these. So it seems like no matter how many times you measure, you're never going to get that perfect cut. I measured it 5 times, cut once, was always off on both sides. But nothing a little grinder can't fix. I mean, we'll see in the next video if I end up getting it level and square and looking right. But anyways, for these holes to egg them out and get the old cross member out of there, so I ground it down all the way around the outside to make it completely flush, and I do 2 sawzall cuts. You take a hammer and you go to town on that. Got this one out. We'll come back when I get that one done. We'll come back when I get this mocked up and show you guys what I got so far. Alright, hours later, I lied a little bit. I already did the welding. I mocked it up. I got it to halfway happy. I still got to do the cross members, but I threw a heavy weld 035 on there. I know it's not the prettiest. I'm going to grind that down, and I plan to put pieces of metal long ways, maybe put some bolts on each side, and then I was thinking about doing a boxed situation. I still got to fix the hole on this side, but it's coming together. A lot of work. That was very frustrating by yourself. If you have another person, it'd be great. It's doing a jack and a bunch of pieces of wood. Wasn't fun. Alright, well, that's it for this video. Got it mocked up. I'm happy with it. But I'm going to send you guys out with one last thing I figured out. I went to a local shop around here called Baps, B-A-P. They hooked me up with some paint. It was about $97. So I got an epoxy primer in a can for bare metal on the rocker arms, and anything else I'm going to do, probably the bed sides, I don't know. And then I got a high build, and I need to get a spray gun. If anyone has recommendations on what spray gun to get, let me know. Other than that, we'll keep on going. See you next time.